What is going on, you guys? My name is Daniel, and we're going to take this image out of an EOS R that looks relatively flat and make it into something that actually looks very three-dimensional with a nice bokeh and everything behind it. So first off, let's go in here and crop this how it needs to be, about there. And then we're going to take this and pump the exposure up, put a little bit more contrast into it, drop some of the highlights. Yeah, drop some of the highlights, increase the shadows, drop some of the whites, and drop some of the blacks. Let's see here, because that really makes these twigs in the front start to show so that it feels like there's layers in between it, the blown out background, the bird, and then the layers in between it, and then the blurry layers in front of that. So we're talking about 4 layers right there. Next, we're going to come in and really push this temperature to about right there. And then we're going to make some of this a little bit darker while still bringing these up ever so slightly to make the background, nope, that was a little bit too much, just to make the background look like it's really, really blown out, like the sun is absolutely pounding the back of that bird. And then let's come in here, and I think that's almost everything I wanted to adjust, other than maybe, does it do anything I want it to? Make it a little bit crisper by dropping the luminance of all that orange in there. And that's pretty much it. That's all I really needed to do for this. Let's mess with contrast a little bit more. Raise that up, and then take out the shadows a little bit more, so that gives it a little bit more of that dimensional feel right there. So that's pretty much how you can create three-dimensional looking photos, is by having that blurry foreground, having a part of the foreground that isn't so blurry, that's still in front of the subject on that, and then the background. So it's about 3 or 4 layers deep. If you enjoyed this video, I have an entire list up here on other things that I have been editing lately out of my catalog, and we go over everything mirrorless Canon cameras. Thank you for watching. Take care.